Good morning to all. Today we are going to do the third exercise. So first of all you have to set the working directory. You can go here, select working directory and select a proper location to start to save your work. Okay. So I have already set the working directory. Next is you can open the new file. Then as usual with the last class we will be going into the sketch environment, and here exercise 3, then OK. So before starting our exercise, today we will learn some important nomenclature of the software. Okay, so the top one you can see here, exercise 03 active Creo parametric. This is the title bar. Okay, title bar. This the top portion where you can find the software name and the work part, whatever the saved file name which is appearing on the top. This is called the title bar. Then just below that you can see sketch, analysis, tools, view, etc. file. All these second bar is called the menu bar. Okay, so title bar, menu bar. Then this below that, whatever you see, this is called the toolbars. All the tools, whatever the tools which we are going to draw the figure, or at a later stage we will find the other tools also. So this is the toolbar, and this particular portion, whatever just below that, whatever you see here, this is called the dashboard or working area, whatever you want to call. That is called the working area or dashboard. And below that here, this is called the message bar. This is called the message bar. You can see here, successfully changed to the Creo exercise directory. And here one more here when we learn the modeling, we will start the 3D modeling. That time you will find a location here that is called the model tree, right? So now let us start our exercise. So the third exercise is this particular one. So let us see how to do it. So first we will locate the coordinate system here, coordinate system, and we will lock it in position. So as I told you, see now it is moving. This also we will lock it, and this we will make the, now this is in position. Now it cannot move. Now let us draw this one circle, die 28. Okay, let us do that, die 28. So circle, you can see different type of circle are available. So we will be using the first one only, center and point. So let us draw here. So now you can see this is a very small figure. So let us enlarge it. Okay, what we will do, we will go for the scaling option here, modify, lock scale. So the diameter we will change to 28, right? 28. Okay, 28. So dia 28, and what is the other dimension, that also we will see, 55 and 32. So this is 32 and this is 55. And 55. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Okay, doesn't matter. Now we will draw a circle of, so I'm going to concentric circle option here, concentric circle, and select the curve and draw another circle and a middle click. Okay, and this is die 14. Next thing is that we want to draw this circle, die 92. Let us draw that. So that circle will be drawn at the center. So center point. So this is die 92. 92. So let us make these two circles here also, so that our work will be easy. So let us do that. Okay, equal. So I used whatever is available there. So now we will go to concentric circle, and here we'll make the second one also. So same thing, we will change the dimension 35, and this is 32, 55 and 32. Now next is we need to draw the lines and make tangent, and here also let us see here. So here if you observe, here there is a small line, and after that it is a fillet. Here there is a line. So let us draw that line. So you take the line command and just draw a line. Similarly here also you draw a line. Oh, okay, this equal. Okay, now we will make tangency, tangent constraint. You can select the tangent tangent constraint from here. Select the line. See, I'm selecting here and the circle. So automatically you can see that this endpoint is coincident, already tangent with the circle. So you need to add again tangency. Okay. Now similarly we will add tangency for this also. Now we want to add two more lines here at the top as well as at the bottom. Let us do that. Now again tangent, select the tangent and these two circles, this line and circle. Similarly here also. Next thing is that we want to remove all the unwanted portions. As you can see here, delete segment, and you trim these unwanted portions. Okay, so I'm removing all the unwanted portion from the figure. Similarly here also. So you have to click and drag. That is the procedure here. Click and drag. Okay, now here as well as here, this also. Okay, now the last step, you have to add the fillet here. So here the next tool which we are going to use is circular fillet. So so we will use the circular trim command. So that means it will trim the all the unwanted portion also. Okay, so here also. Somewhere I think small problem is there, we have to find out. Okay, let it be. Now what is the radius over there? R10. Let us change this R10. Now we can make equal. Select this curve and this fillet. Okay, somewhere overlapping geometry is somewhere here. Let us delete this. Actually this what I am looking at is some small line may be actually somewhere it is not right. Let us check what is going to happen. Okay, let us delete these two lines, and one more time I want to draw two more lines here. Okay, now it is looking fine, but some other problem is there. Okay, let us add a tangency now, this and this tangent, and here also tangent. Okay, now this is the particular sketch is fully constrained and dimensions are proper. So I hope you understood some of the sketch and constraint concepts related to this. Thanks for watching. Okay, so actually whenever you make the drawing, it should be a closed one, and you should get the so if you want to check some of the available tools to check your correctness, you can use this tool, inspect tool. Okay, so thank you, thanks for watching. You can save your drawing. Okay, then you can exit.